I know you're wondering, how did we get here? Well, I went kayaking for the first time with my friends, and I thought, let me make us some food because who finna be spending all that money out there in food expensive? It's enchiladas. So I packed up the bags, and then we finally made it. And there go my friends. Hi, y'all. Hi. Then it was my turn to get on, y'all. Whoa. They was laughing at me. And then it started raining. We got poured on a million times. And then, oh my gosh. Y'all was so scared. We ran into the wall, and I was like, baby, help me. He got us back on track. Thank you, Jesus, for a man who loves me, and that's a real man, and that's a man. So, y'all, we had a good time, even though we got rained on, but we enjoyed everything. Bye.